हेलो गाइस, तो आज से मैं जो है इंग्लिश में वीडियोस बनाऊंगा क्योंकि मेरे को मेरा फ्लो भी इंप्रूव करना है. सो वेलकम टू डे 7. टुडे आई स्टडीड डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. इन दैट आई स्टडीड बाइनरी trees. And today I got a bit lazy, and that's why I was not very productive today. But I made some changes in this website. If you don't know, in this website you can find gate pyk solution of CS branch very easily, very fastly. If you don't know about this website, link is in the description. Tutorial is in the description. So you will find a video tutorial which I have made and provided the link in the description. Okay, you can use this website and find gate pyk solution on Gate Overflow website very easily. Also, today we complete 100 Telegram members. So thank you so much for it. If you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me in the Telegram group. I will provide you the solutions. And also, if there is a question or PYQ or any subject related question, I provide video solution of it because I think that is much more understandable for me and for you also. And also, if you have any general doubt, then group members or I will answer whenever we have time. So in this video, that's it. Thank you for watching. Meet you in day 8. Till then, bye bye.